Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis cleared his first test with the BJP winning the trust vote in the Maharashtra Assembly. But now the Congress and the Sena claim that the BJP government is an illegitimate minority government since the decision was arrived at via voice vote. Congress has also threatened to not let the House function.
Well, I must congratulate the Maharashtra government. We have won the trust vote. The mandate of the people of Maharashtra has been reflected. And I think this was the mandate given to the BJP. The vote of strength proves that it's a majority government. It has full right to continue and perform and meet the aspirations of people of Maharashtra.
विधानसभा में विधिमंडल में भाजपा को तो विश्वास दर्शक ठराव पास करके मुख्यमंत्री हमारा है ये दिखाने का था, लेकिन आज भाजपा विधानसभा में विश्वास दर्शक ठराव पास नहीं कर सकी। आज नियम की पायमल्ली करने का काम, घटना की पायमल्ली करने का काम आज विधानसभा में भाजपा ने किया है। आवाजी मतदान किया है। अगर दूध का दूध पानी का पानी करने का होता तो मतदान लेना चाहिए था।
Well, the Sena, they're attacking its former ally. Now, the Congress too has said that the BJP has still not proven their majority. Therefore, their government is not legitimate.
हम गवर्नर की तरफ भी हमारे जो भी विधानसभा सदस्य है, विधानसभा के हमारे लीडर्स है, वो सब मिलकर गवर्नर के पास जाएंगे और इस तरह की अल्पमत की सरकार जिन्होंने हाउस में बहुमत सिद्ध नहीं किया है और इस तरीके से जानबूझकर ये उन्होंने ठराव इस तरीके से पास करने की कोशिश की, बल्कि वो पास नहीं हुआ है, ये कहने के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी के सदस्य और सभी नेता वहां पर राज्यपाल को मिलेंगे और इस तरीके का बहुमत दोबारा उनको सिद्ध करना पड़ेगा।
और हमारी पूरी मांग है कि विश्वास दर्शक प्रस्ताव फिर से रखा जाए और उस पर मतदान होकर ही अपना बहुमत सरकार निश्चित करे और फिर उसको घटनात्मक तरीके से, संवैधानिक तरीके से सरकार चलाने का अधिकार प्राप्त होगा। यह एक इलेजिटिमेट सरकार है, ऐसा हमारा स्पष्ट मानना है।
Bharatiya Janata Party legislators, where they have announced that the motion has survived. Insofar as NCP stand is concerned, our stand has been already clarified by our senior leader, party president, Honorable Sharad Pawar ji, where he stated categorically that the paramount need of the state today is to have a stable government, and NCP will do everything to ensure that the state of Maharashtra gets a stable government.
Narvekar, your party president did say about the stable government, but today, did you say yes in favor of the BJP? We want a clear yes or no answer. Did you vote in favor of the BJP?
There was no poll that was allowed by the speaker.
There was a voice vote.
So therefore, there is no question of telling you as to whether there was polling done or no. Insofar as a voice vote is concerned, this is something which the Honorable Speaker's office or the members of the Legislative Assembly who were supposed to vote in that behalf would be able to elaborate upon.
Narvekar,